pretty big. And someone took a lot of time to make this, so I may as well show it off. So I'm gonna go up this path. Don't know how much of this path I should be filming. It's quite a nice, decent path anyway. Got my 3-year-old leading the way. He's been up here more times than I have. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you our travel guide?
Yep.
Uh-huh. Is this the tourist information as well? Can you tell us a little bit about this cave house?
Yeah.
What can you tell us?
Destroyed by someone.
It what?
It got destroyed by someone.
It got destroyed?
Yeah.
Someone destroyed it?
Yeah, but it wasn't on this one now.
Oh, okay. And it's all fixed now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's only a little bit broken there.
A little bit
You
broken.
don't even know. Yeah.
Hey,
Were you here when that got happened?
he's my tour guide. Oh, look at these flowers.
And I have like a broomstick now.
A broomstick, yeah.
Oh.
We'll pass that way. Oh, here we go. Look at that. So, someone spent a long time making that arch for sure. There's a nice door as well. And this is really cool. I guess they planted this. Another prickly pear. And someone dragged this tree up here, which is cool. It's the top deck, as the dog's already found. See? Why you shouldn't throw away your bottles? Because you can actually make really cool window wall type things. So, take a look in here. I'm not sure how they made these windows, but I think I have an idea. Whoa, just slipping a bit. But as you can see, someone spent a long time making this. And look how cool that is, looking outside the window. It's beautiful. Hello. And this is some kind of cool box or something. You can store food or something in there. Hey, buddy. Clearly no one really uses it, so it's not in its best shape, but you could adapt this. You could have a kitchen in here. So you got yourself a slide. So kind of got yourself this rock cave ceiling. And they've thrown a bed up there, which isn't very clean. But you could, and there's another window up there. The sun comes in, which is cool. Wacky ceiling. But there's a lot of potential here if you spent a bit of time fixing this place up. You could easily have 1 or 2 people live here quite happily. And if you go outside, this is the view. This is pretty cool. You got the sun there on your front porch. Let's see. Bit of crap around here. Got the valley down there. It's looking good, huh? Nice little secret cave. Guess I'll show you the upstairs here. You guys stay away from the edge.
Yeah, I don't have a toe up here.
And the last couple kids that stayed up here used to play up here and made all sorts of weird, funky things.
Dad, you can...
Look at that guitar.
Yeah, that's broken now.
Yeah, it's the Offgrid guitar.
Yeah, I see the broken on as well. We can't use it now.
That could be salvaged, huh?
Then I just like a poo over here.
Oh, good. Good. All right, let's get down safely. Let's go through this hole and get back out. I don't want you coming out.
Like
this side.
crystals.
That's a nice crystal. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Look, there's one here, one
No,
everywhere.
that's a piece of wax. It's like melting in the sun.
What?
Alright, hey, don't forget your sunglasses right here. Come on, let's go through the hobbit door.
Hobbit door.
The hobbit door, let's go. Back into here. See? So much potential. Beautiful, beautiful. And this thing. A little bit creepy. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. But, beautiful views. Obviously it needs to be cleaned up a bit, but oh my goodness. This is the secret cave. Perfect size for the kids anyway. Right, you guys want to say goodbye? Guess not. Right, goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching the secret cave. Natalie's enjoying the little nook. What?
Bye.
Bye. Have a great time. You gonna say bye? Nope. Okay, bye. Don't throw stuff. Tell them to subscribe to Offgrid Secrets.
Subscribe to Offgrid Secrets.